Thank you for choosing Casa Marina Galapagos and welcome to the islands. We are delighted you have made the right choice for a house rental. This is your home in the Galapagos Islands. We understand that commodity is a very important part of your vacation. You are centrally located and only one block from the main dock, right at the heart of the town. Throughout years, we have noticed that we all have different expectations and budgets when it comes to travel. Communicating this information with us will help for the quality of your visit and the success of your expedition. Since communications are very important, we have created a series of videos that will answer many questions. We suggest you to share it with your family and friends. We have a lot of experience in this business and are highly connected. We welcome you to engage your heart for an experience of a lifetime. Welcome to the Galapagos.